Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're looking at our 2008 Dodge Ram 5500 service truck with a heavy-duty auto crane boom. Now this truck does have some miles on it. It's got 280, but she runs and drives good. It's got the Victoria 6.7 Cummins in it, an automatic transmission. This is a completely southern truck. Spent whole life in the Carolinas, North and South Carolina. The frame looks really nice on this truck. Runs and drives really strong. Really strong motor we got in that thing. It's got large boxes, large deep boxes. Outriggers. Crane is operated by this handheld controller here. It's wired in. You've got fast and slow idle. You can rotate your boom. Do all you need to do from this little controller. As you can see, it's got rear hydraulic outriggers. A towing hitch and wiring for one. All these boxes are clean inside and out. No rust. These floors are really solid. Got some minor issues with the box, just small rust spots on it, but nothing too crazy. As you can see a little bit there too. But all these boxes open, they lock. We've got keys for them. This utility box has drawers come out. They're very nice, very sturdy box, little toolboxes, drawers. These are very nice. This was an old Cummins Power Systems truck, maintained and serviced by them. All the tires look okay. They're mismatched, but they all have good tread. Steers are the same. But as you can see, this frame is in really, really nice condition. This definitely was a southern truck, and that frame shows. It's got some minor imperfections on the body, scratches, little dings and dents here and there, but it is a used truck. Overall, though, it looks pretty nice. Interior's in good shape. Seat's not all ripped up. pretty clean in here. This does have a PTO. That's what operates all the functions in the rear. We're turning that off. It's a little noisy. All right. At the time of this video, it's got 280,245 miles. Radio, heat and air. Got this little master switch to power on the PTO. But nonetheless, she's clean inside. It's got the little overhead info center there. It's pretty cool. You don't see that on a truck like this too often. This truck looks good, operates as it should, runs and drives down the road really nice. Good truck of this age and with those miles. I think she's got a lot of life left in her. All right, you can check it out on eBay. It's listed for sale there. You can call us, shoot us a message. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.